Hello friends, in this video we are doing certain practices which is good for insomnia problem. It is a sleeping disorder when you are not able to sleep properly. And what are the causes for insomnia? There are many causes like stress, depressions, you are on medications, and then if you overthink something. So these all are the issues in insomnia. It causes insomnia. So yoga gives you or has recommended few asanas and few pranayam which are very good to get relief from this disorder. So let's practice this asanas and pranayam. Okay. So the first asana which I am going to do today is Kurmasana. Kurmasana is also called tortoise pose. So for that you need to straighten your leg completely. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Relax. For doing this practice, you need to stretch your legs properly. So for that we do some preparatory practice, that is just holding off your leg and just give good stretch to your leg. We are working on stretch. Okay, you need to stretch your leg. So just hold your leg and get it as much close as you can. Okay, just hold it for some counts. Relax. Now we are doing on the left side. Just hold your leg, press it against your chest. Very good. Now we have to start our practice. So spread your leg, okay, and just relax your shoulders. Relax your shoulders, and you need to slide your hands under your knees. Okay, you are sliding your hands under your knees. With the exhalation, you just bend forward. Okay, as much as you can. You need not to be perfect in this. Okay, this please understand. Don't go for final posture. We are just practicing. So if you go slow with full corrections, with full stepwise, definitely you will be able to do that. Okay. So just slide your hands under your knees and take your body forward. Okay. See my shoulders. I'm just taking my hands. I'm sliding my hands and just bring your legs forward and then straighten your leg with your toes pointing upward. Okay, you can even keep your head on your mat. Hold this position with normal breathing and then slowly take your hands out and relax your legs.
Now we'll discuss with this posture the benefit of this Kurma Asana, that is tortoise pose. Kurma Asana helps to increase the flexibility of the hips and pelvics. This asana helps to rejuvenate you and keep you fresh. Kurma Asana is a very good asana to reduce stress. It improves your memory by increasing blood flow to the brain. It also keeps your mind calm and prepare it for meditation. It helps the nervous systems to function better. The Kurma Asana also adds stretches to the front of the body, and another is good for those suffering from cervical disorders. All this benefit helps a person to have better sleep. So it is very beneficial for the people suffering from insomnia problem. It stretches your chest, shoulder, upper back, quadriceps and abdomen as well. It helps your digestive systems to remain healthy. Now, if you are beginners in this field, you should always seek the help of a good yoga instructor to do this practice. Precautions. Avoid this asana in case of shoulder, back and arm injury. As a result, pregnant women must avoid this asana. People suffering from sciatica or chronic arthritis should not do this practice. next asana which help you to calm your mind and to have a better sleep is Paschimottanasana. Sit tall on the edge of a folded blanket or your yoga mat with your leg extended. Exhale and stretch your spine long as you fold forward, keeping your spine lengthened. Hold on to your feet and hold with your elbows bent and arms relaxed. Rest your forehead on a block, or you can touch your forehead to your knees. With normal breathing, hold this practice for 10 to 15 breaths. As you inhale, come back, raise your arms up, exhale, arms at the starting position. Next practice is Shashankasana. It is a relaxing posture. It will increases the concentration and focus. It plays key role for reducing mental disorders and depression. Blood circulation of the body will increase. With all these benefits, you will have a better sleep. Our next practice is Padanugustanasana. Stand straight, arms up. Inhale. With the exhalation, bend forward and try to touch your forehead to your knees by bending your upper body forward, and your head and torso should move together. Now try to catch your big toe with your fingers on the respective side. Try to be in this position for 2 to 3 breaths. To release this from this position, take a deep breath and try to lift your torso, and while doing this, try to keep your elbows straight. Keep in mind, when you are going down, you should exhale, and when you are coming upward, you have to inhale. Thank you. You deserve a peaceful night's sleep, and this pranayam is here for your rescue. Bhramari pranayam is the solution to all sleep disorders. It helps in rejuvenations, concentration, and it is the best cure for stress. Close your earlobes with your thumb. Inhale from your nostril. While exhaling, you have to make a humming bee sound. It's like Keep practicing this pranayam for 3 times at least, and have a good sleep. Thank you so much. Please comment.